Hello friends, my name is Subir Kumar Nath. I am a creative enthusiast of Intellico services. You may have come across a word called content writing and may be curious to know what it is. Hence today I am here to inform you about what is content writing. First of all, let us know what is the definition of content writing. Content writing is the process of generating written information which is consumed by the end users for a number of reasons. As you may know, information has always been an important resource for us humans. We require information on daily basis for a number of works, such as for gaining knowledge, for doing our work, and even for our entertainment. According to estimates, around 5.8 billion information searches are processed by Google on daily basis. You may be wondering where all this information comes from. A simple answer to this question is through the hard work of content writers. There are various types of information generated by content writers. Some of the main forms of content writing are article writing, research paper writing, SEO content writing, and YouTube script writing. Business organizations, YouTubers, social media bloggers, and website owners are some of the main entities who require the services of content writers on regular basis. There are four main reasons for which content writers are hired by organizations, which are 1. To get quality content, 2. For reliable information, 3. For search engine optimization, and 4. To reduce the workload. One of the leading names in the field of content writing in India is Intellico Services. Intellico Services provides a number of content writing services, some of the major services being article writing, blog writing, social media content writing, ebook creation, copywriting, and many other services. The main aim of Intellico Services is to achieve 100% excellence in the field of content writing by offering beautifully written unique content on timely manner. If you want to avail content writing services or are interested in becoming a content writer yourself, then look no further than Intellico Services.